Yo, what's up, guys? It's me, Spain without the S, back here with another video. I think I'm gonna make a second channel with my friend Jay. Say hi. Hello. He hits like a mace. Pun intended. Get it? Jason Mace rhyme. So we're actually gonna make a second channel together. It's gonna be called Private Rap City. I don't know when, but he has a freestyle. I think it's pretty good. So yeah. Also subscribe to Joker Beats. Woo! I accidentally hit my computer. Oh crap. Alright. Tell me what you thought in the comments, guys. I actually have another rap here. Let's see if I can find a beat. Do this one. Now, so everybody that I use for beats, make sure to go subscribe to them. Alright, this one right here. I used this beat before. Go subscribe to. No clue how to say that. Alright. Yeah. This goes out to my annoying cousin Madison. Alright. Wait for this beat to drop. But in the meantime, what you guys can do is like, comment, subscribe. Anyway. You toxic, but you need a lockpick to open the weakest door. That's why you're back a sore. Madison, more like Madison. To the teachers, you are rooting crude. To me, but you probably send news. Why you assume what's happening in your parents' bedroom with your mom too? That's a wrap right there. So I want to know what you guys thought. Yeah, goodbye.